My name is Scott. I'm here representing Marvac Scientific. We're at the 2026 Cornwell Tool Rally. We're here demoing the Marvac XV-Pro. This is a coolant refiller here, and we're going to be showing it against a leading competitor. And so what we're going to show now is he'll go ahead and get started on the leading competitor. And as you see the bottle, this is what the mechanic can see. He's watching the bottle and he's watching to see it refill. And so in your standard service, you're going to get to the max level on there and feel like your service is complete and it's done a good job. What you're going to see now is we've given it some time. He's going to fire the Marvac one up now and watch the speed at which this refills compared to the first one. You can see it's already passed it in a half a second. Now you've maxed out your bottle. Now we're going to get down to these lines that I was talking about. These are going to simulate cooling system lines that go through EV batteries. What you're going to see on a Marvac tool is all of the lines filled. You have very minimal air bubbles. You have a complete refill and air evacuation. If you flip back to our other tool here, you can see we're still working on filling this guy, but he's almost completely out of air. So the chances of it actually filling these battery lines and cooling the battery in your electric vehicle, slim to none, which is very dangerous and a little scary. That's why this is very important to steer yourself towards professional tools for professional auto mechanics. Cornwell obviously offers a great variety of great tools that get you a complete service for your vehicle.